In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share and back up photos with OneDrive. This process is simple, quick, and ensures your cherished memories are safe and easily accessible. Let's dive right in. To get started, the first thing we want to do is locate the OneDrive icon on your taskbar. Consider this icon as your gateway to a secure and organized storage solution for your precious photos. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it to open the OneDrive menu. Within this menu, you'll find various options specifically designed to help you manage your files with ease. Moving forward, you'll want to click on the Settings option. Selecting Settings effectively opens up a world of possibilities for customizing and optimizing your OneDrive usage. This is where you can take control of how and when your data is backed up, giving you peace of mind that your data is handled just the way you want. Now, let's head over to the Sync and Backup tab. This portion is crucial as it aligns OneDrive to cater to your personal preferences. It ensures that your files are safely copied into the cloud, all while staying updated in real time. Once you're inside the Sync and Backup tab, locate the option to Manage Backup. Clicking on this allows you to choose which folders you want to back up automatically, and yes, this includes the all-important photo directory. By enabling Backup for Photos, you're making sure that OneDrive has a secure copy of your photos stored in the cloud. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later for this, as it grants you peace of mind knowing your photos are safe from any technical mishaps. After setting up your backup preferences, let's move on to your OneDrive Online account. Open your internet browser and log into your account. After logging in, navigate to the Photos section. This area is your digital album where your photos are organized and ready to be accessed from anywhere in the world so long as you have an internet connection. From here, you have the flexibility to select which photos you'd like to share. Whether it's a collection of memories from a special event or just that perfect snapshot you want to show, you have the control to choose what gets shared. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click on the Share button. Now, this is where OneDrive truly shines, making the sharing process smooth and easy to handle. You'll see a prompt asking for the names or email addresses of the people you'd like to share these photos with. To add a nice touch, include a personal message if you'd like. And there you have it, you've learned how to both share and back up your photos using OneDrive. With these steps, you can rest assured knowing your photos are securely backed up and easily shared with loved ones. Thank you for watching.